Hello guys, got a new toy today. I'm just going to do an unboxing and show you what it's all about. I expect you've seen loads of these before, so you know, this most probably won't be any different, but this is my take on it. So Krieger 2000w inverter. Got it off Amazon. There's the picture. It's meant to run a TV and a toaster and all sorts of stuff. Got bits and bobs on the back. This is a list of applications, but the one I've got, which is this one here, Amazon have kindly stuck the label over all the ticks. So just have to plug it in, won't I, and try it out. Kid in a sweet shop. So, what have we got in here then? Right. Instruction book, I suppose. Yep, user manual. Connecting for the first time. Register today and get a extra 2 months. I suppose if it goes bang, then you've got to sort of send it back. Right. Okay. Oh, loads of stuff. Right, so this is the one I've got. Quite bigger than I expected, but 2000w inverter. So UK spec. USBs here. LED screen. Have to read the book to find out what that does. I suppose you can hang it as well on these, or screw it directly in, which is a good idea because you could actually mount it that way. Have your cables running off the top for your mains battery, plug in the bottom, but most probably I'm either going to have it like that on the wall or set on top of the battery box when I actually get one made up. Now on the other side you've got your plus and minus. Where are we? Down here is a neutral, so you have to run a neutral cable to the chassis of the van, and then somewhere else here is a little remote control input for, go to this bag. For a little remote switch. So you can actually switch it on and off, and it saves doing it on this one here. So pack of screws for that. Nice long cable to connect this to that, So you can tuck that away somewhere, most probably into a cupboard storage place, underneath the bed, in the garage area on the van. Run this up to your control panel. That can go in. You can then remotely switch it on and off, and that's fine. Here's the neutral. So we've got two ends on. So we've got, on one end, we've got a 8mm hole and a 10mm hole. Now I don't know what they are on here. Okay, these are the 8s. Yeah, so the 8 would go on, and then the 10 would go onto your battery. And then once these are fitted on, these can go on any way round. Obviously you don't want to put it that way round, but or really downwards, but so you could run it sideways or upwards depending on how your lead is actually run from your inverter to your battery. And then that goes over there, gives it a bit of insulation. That does up. Nice big thick 16 gauge cable is that, 16mm square. And here is the positive with a fuse. And that is a 200 amp fuse in there, and again an 8mm and a 10mm. Now I've got 8mm studs on my leisure batteries, so but that would sit underneath one of the 10mm bolts, no problem at all. So you've got neutral, live, positive, remote control, a connection cable, little pack of screws, and your inverter. So and also your extended 2-month warranty if you want it. And I can't wait to play with my new toy. Maybe. So my next video, or one of my next videos coming up, will actually be installing this in the van onto my leisure batteries. You're all more than welcome to come and join me for that one. Make yourself a cup of coffee and enjoy yourselves. And don't forget, thumbs up, like and subscribe if you would. It would help me out gratefully. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Ta-da for now.